Samsung hasn't officially unveiled the Galaxy S24 yet, but many details about its features and appearance are already circulating. The three phones in the lineup are expected to resemble the previous models, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra undergoing the most significant changes. Recently leaked images, which appear to be quite accurate and realistic, showcase the potential look of the phone. Concept images released by Super Rotor aim to provide a detailed glimpse of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's design. These images highlight the rumored titanium frame with flat sides and a flat screen. There's a subtle curve between the side rails and the screen, as well as a slight curve where the titanium side rail meets the glass back dot on the front. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features a 6.8-inch screen surrounded by slim and consistent bezels. Turning to the back, the phone is equipped with 4 cameras. Reports suggest a 50-megapixel periscope camera with 5x optical zoom. For selfies, the front camera is speculated to remain the same with a 12-megapixel resolution, as seen in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Anticipated specifications for the Galaxy S24 Ultra include the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor, coupled with 12 or 16 GB of RAM. The operating system is likely to be Android 14 with the One UI 6.1 software. Rumors suggest the inclusion of a new AI-driven digital voice assistant, featuring real-time language transliteration during calls, text and image generation, and various other AI functionalities. These AI capabilities are expected to be powered by Samsung's Gauss AI engine. Are you excited for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? That's it for today. Share your thoughts in the comments section, and, as always, see you in the next video.